Are you curious about the top Python jobs in 2024? Stick around, because we are about to dive into the most sought after career opportunities in the world of Python programming. With the rapid growth of technology, the demand for Python developers is on the rise. Python's flexibility allows it to be used in various industries. As we entered 2024, Python continues to solidify its position as a must-have skill for professionals in the tech industry. So grab a cup of coffee, because we are diving into the top 5 Python job opportunities in 2024. As a backend developer, your primary responsibility is to use Python frameworks like Django or FastAPI to build and maintain the server-side logic of web applications. You will work closely with front-end developers to ensure seamless integration of user-facing elements with the server-side logic. Additionally, managing databases, optimizing server performance, and ensuring scalability are key duties. This role requires a solid understanding of web development principles, proficiency in Python, and familiarity with database management systems like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Strong problem-solving skills and the ability to troubleshoot issues efficiently are also essential. Backend developers often collaborate with cross-functional teams, including project managers and UX/UI designers, to deliver high-quality software solutions. The average annual salary for backend developers in the United States is around $110,000, with opportunities for advancement as you gain experience and expertise in the field. Data engineers play a crucial role in designing and managing large-scale data processing systems using Python. Your duties include creating data pipelines and tools to collect, clean, and transform data for analysis and reporting purposes. Strong knowledge of database management systems, data modeling, and data warehousing is essential. Additionally, data engineers often collaborate with data scientists and business analysts to understand data requirements and design efficient solutions. This role requires proficiency in Python programming, SQL querying, and experience with big data technologies like Hadoop or Spark. Data engineers typically earn an average annual salary of $120,000 in the United States, with opportunities to specialize in areas such as machine learning engineering or data architecture. Data scientists and machine learning engineers use Python extensively for analyzing data and building predictive models. Their responsibilities include exploring and visualizing datasets, developing and fine-tuning machine learning algorithms, and deploying models to production environments. Proficiency in Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow is a requirement. Additionally, data scientists often collaborate with domain experts to develop insights and recommendations that later drive business decisions. This role demands strong analytical skills, a deep understanding of statistical methods, and the ability to communicate findings effectively to non-technical stakeholders. Data scientists and machine learning engineers command on average annual salary of $130,000 in the United States, with opportunities to work in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. QA engineers leverage Python to write automated tests that ensure software quality and performance. Your duties involve creating test scripts, executing tests, and analyzing results to identify and fix bugs efficiently. Strong problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and familiarity with testing frameworks are important requirements. Additionally, QA engineers collaborate with software developers to understand system requirements and design test cases that cover critical functionalities. This role requires proficiency in Python programming, knowledge of software testing methodologies, and experience with test automation tools like Selenium or PyTest. QA engineers play a crucial role in the software development lifecycle, ensuring that products meet quality standards before they are released to the end users. The average annual salary for QA engineers in the United States is around $95,000, with opportunities to specialize in areas such as performance testing or security testing. DevOps engineers use Python to automate server management tasks, deploy applications, and manage infrastructure efficiently. Your responsibilities include writing scripts to streamline workflows, enhance system reliability, and ensure continuous integration and delivery. Proficiency in Linux system administration, cloud computing, and containerization technologies is often required. Additionally, DevOps engineers collaborate with software developers to implement best practices for code deployment and infrastructure management. This role demands strong problem-solving skills, the ability to work well under pressure, and effective communication skills to collaborate with cross-functional teams. DevOps engineers play a critical role in maintaining the reliability and performance of IT systems, enabling organizations to deliver high-quality software products to customers. The average annual salary for DevOps engineers in the United States is $125,000, with opportunities to work in various industries such as technology, healthcare, and finance. In 2024, Python remains at the forefront of the tech industry, offering a plethora of lucrative job opportunities. From backend development to data analysis, Python skills are in high demand across various sectors. With average annual salaries ranging from $95,000 to $130,000, these top 5 Python jobs underscore the importance of mastering this versatile language. As technology continues to evolve, acquiring Python expertise opens doors to exciting career prospects and ensures a competitive edge in the ever-changing job market. So, whether you are diving into web development, data science, or server administration, Python is your ticket to professional success and financial growth. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.